Welcome to Mariah's Mix, the show where you learn to cook with a flick of the wrist and get amazing food out of it. Welcoming the host of Mariah's Mix, Mariah Smith.
Here today, homemade lasagna. If you're first of all, if you love Italian food like me, you will definitely love this. But first, let's look at the ingredients. You will need roasted garlic, I almost said potato, pasta sauce, hello. You will need cooked meat. Obviously, we can't have open flames in here, so I can't do that, but obviously, I pre-made it. You will need your mozzarella cheese, and obviously I'm broke, and I bought 2 of these actually, but we're gonna work with it, and we are going to do Mexican style. Now you can pick any cheese you want, but let's be real here, mozzarella is the way to go. Then you will need lasagna shells. Now lasagna shells are not expensive, they're actually really cheap. $1.98. Couldn't tell you about the meat. 2 something. $1.98. There you go, boom. And I actually have another one. Now with these, first you want to buy at least 2 of the jars of pasta sauce. You're going to need at least, I would say, let's go with 3 bags of the small ones, but if you just want to go ahead and buy the big ones, more than welcome to. Meat, for one sitting, you definitely need at least 1.5 pounds and 2 boxes. You will also need a pan, obviously, oven, okay, don't burn the house down. Alrighty. Shell 1. Now you could either do it this way or this way, but let's get real, let's do it the easy way. Let's see here. We're going to layer this to perfection, and it's okay if they overlap, don't get crazy. Now with this one, you can obviously see, ignore that, right here, it obviously doesn't fit, so you can crack the noodle. It's going to the same place, it'll all be fine. There we are. First layer noodles, second layer meat. Now obviously I don't have enough meat for this one because I made the other batch for the class to eat. I'm broke, like I said. Come on, brother. There we are. Next is marinara sauce. Where is my sauce? And here we are. Just go to every 4 corners at least. You want to get the marinara sauce right in there. Boop. I'm starving. Alrighty guys, and next is the last layer, which is the cheese. Obviously we don't have enough mozzarella, so I'm going to do the best I can. Get the other cheese for our liking. And y'all want to make sure y'all can get as much cheese as you want. I love cheese, so I like to drown it. Here we are. Oh, hello. Alrighty guys, well, when we come back, we will put it in the oven and see where everything goes from there. Now we'll be right back from a word from our sponsors. Sally struggles with getting to class on time. Mike is always on time. How does he do it?
I used to be just like you, Sal. I was late to class every day and I was always exhausted. But Raptor Z saved my life. Now I'm able to make it to class with time to spare.
I need to get a pair as soon as possible.
Sally, wow, I think this is the first time you made it to class before me.
Yep, thanks to Raptor Z, I'll never be late to class again.
Thanks, Raptor Z.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, I'm doing the second layer. Now with your layers, you can do as many layers as you desire. The one I made for the class, I did 3 layers, but for this one, we will do 2 layers, if we're lucky, because like I said, the meat and the sauce and the cheese. So let's see here, continuing on. Now, for the record, I know I shouldn't have to say this, but please, 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 when you are preparing your meat, make sure it is brown and nice, and so you don't get sick. So you're going to want that around here, and I'm using my hands. That's disgusting. Alrighty, definitely just doing 2 layers today, ladies and gents. Definitely need a napkin. Okay. Meat, sauce. So you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 while you're doing, or actually you can do it while you're preparing your meat, but I would do it whenever your meat is getting to that nice middle stage, when it's not completely done but not completely raw, just so, you know, y'all can be safe. And you're going to want to do this, when you put it in the oven, you're going to want to do it for an hour. I know, right? An hour? No. It's worth it, brothers. Trust me. Gonna do the rest of the sauce. Definitely. Then here is the queso. Haha. Like I said, I 10-10 recommend mozzarella, ladies and gentlemen. I'm only using Mexican style because that's what's in my fridge. Did not want to go buy more. Let's see here. This meal is so convenient, guys, just for, I have 5, well, actually it's about to be 8, 8 family members in my household, and this meal just, it's so easy, convenient, and it's cheap. Here we go. Okay, let me turn this for my little dainty eyes. Okay, put this in here. And if you're like Shasta and you don't like lasagna but you like pasta, well, can't help you out here, huh? Now, can I? Just kidding. I'm actually going to use the rest of this cheese on here. And while doing this, guys, make sure y'all get all the corners. Like, I can't express that enough. Made that mistake first time making this lasagna. Didn't do the corners right, whatever. Alrighty. Alrighty, ladies and gents. Now, once you get this desired look, here we are. You're going to want to put it covered in the oven for an hour, but set your alarm for 45 minutes. That way, at the last 15 minutes, you can uncover it. You have to put it in there covered, not with this, preferably with foil. You put it in there, and then when the 45 minutes goes up, you go in the oven, uncover it, and leave it in there for 15 seconds. I mean for 15 minutes. Ha ha, you thought. And now we get the final product. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.